For our new puppy, we want to create a chill out area or sin bin so that when she's doing the wrong actions, we can put her in there for 60 seconds and that'll reinforce that we don't want that behaviour to continue. So that's what we've learnt at the puppy school. So the material is 16mm thick, so I read the screw thickness for 16mm thick, and that says I want a screw length of 1 inch. So I've only got the starter screws that came with this, and the sizes I've got closest to that are 1 1/4 inch panhead screws like that, and a slightly different panhead one at 1 inch. We have to raise this up to the thickness of the material, so that's set to 16mm on the side there, and we have to set the screw length, so for 1 to 1.5 inches. Then we use that second hole. Got 2 diameters, so 1 diameter for the drill bit and the next bit up for the head of the screw. So we just place that through till it goes through that hole in the gauge, and we put the collar on the drill bit, and then we just lock that in to that height. So we can remove the drill bit now. Then we can put the drill bit into the driver and offer up the piece of material we want to drill into. So it says put the lever all the way down, push that until it touches the workpiece, and then it says to lift this up until you hear 2 clicks on the ratcheting system there. So we'll try that. They're not too loud. 1, 2. And then what that means is that it's pre-tensioned there so that when I clamp down it squashes it in. So we'll just put that in there, squash that down, and then turn on the vacuum cleaner, and then we'll just drill the hole. So there we go, a pocket hole. So that's for the 1 inch screw. Now let's set it up for the 1 1/4 inch screw, and we'll see what that does. So again, I don't need to change the length because for the 1 and the 1 1/4 inch screw, it's the same depth, so that's good. So there's actually no changes I need to make there. So I can just put that, lock that in place, turn on the vacuum cleaner. Okay, then we'll release that. So let's move that out of the way. So I can just see these screws are going to just slide about because this is melamine. It says for the software use the coarse thread, so let's get a 1 1/4 inch coarse thread screw out. And on the other panhead screws out. So we've got one of each of those, and then we should be able to, better for the clamp for this, but let's try it. Okay, and then we'll try the 1 inch screw. Okay, right, so there we go. The 1 1/4 inch screw is showing, coming through, so we definitely don't want to use that, and we can use that 1 inch panhead bit, and that seems to be giving a reasonable strength joint for what I need it for. For the side of the sin bin, we've got some 600 by 600mm panels, so I'll do roughly one in the middle of the piece and one at either end. So that's the 3 pocket holes done on that one, and I'll just repeat that for the other sides. And for anyone wondering, these are a size 2 square bit and glass panel. So last thing we have to do to make it puppy safe is, this is all open chipboard there. I'm not going to bother covering that, but what I'm going to do is put on some feet that I got for the pricely sum of 20 cents. So that will keep it off the ground and keep it in place so it doesn't slide about as well. Rubber feet will keep that secure, won't move, and stop the pee getting in there. Freya, come on. Mum, we're going to try this out and see how it is for size. There you go, how's that? Freya, sit, sit, sit. Freya, sit. Good girl, good girl. There you go. Are you not so sure about this? You're not so sure about this? There you go, look. Have a treat. There you go, good girl. What do you think of that then? Can you jump out? Come on then. Let's get you out of here. Oops. There we go. Oh, there you go. Who's that? What's that? You're going to try and eat it, are you? Sit. Freya, sit. 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 Good girl. Paw. Sit. Sit. Good girl. You trying to give me a paw? Give a paw. Paw. Good girl. The other one? No, other one. Other one. Other paw. That's it. Good girl. Freya, lie. Good girl. Cheerio.